Today we will see systems elements of CNC machines. Previously we have seen the advantages, limitations and application of CNC machines. Now we will see systems or elements of CNC machine. CNC machine having the elements structure, spindle and drives, actuator support, feedback devices, automatic tool changers, CNC tooling, material handling system, pallet changer, lubrication system and coolant systems. So first, if we will see the structure, then structure we will see bed, saddle, slide base, column and table. Spindle and feed drives, DC servo motors, AC servo motors, stepper motors, fluid motors. Actuator supports bearing, reciprocating ball screw system, linear motion, guideways. Feedback system, rotary encoders, linear encoders. Automatic tool changers, magazine type, turret head. And CNC tooling, tool holder, material handling system, power feeder, part catcher, robot loader, chip conveyor, pallet changer system, linear pallet changer system, rotary pallet changer system, and lubrication system, coolant system. So one by one we will see what are the structure, spindle, feed drives, etc. etc. So first one is the structure. In structure consists of bed, saddle or slide base, column, table. As we know that bed of the CNC or NC machine is usually made up of high quality cast iron, and it contains heavy ribbing to provide high stiffness and low weight. Now, due to cast iron material, this bed provides necessary damping to reduce vibrations generated because of high speed, heavy duty machining or large material removal rate. So this bed is made up of cast iron with having ribs like this. Having ribs, and due to ribs, bed weight is less one with high strength or high stiffness, which absorbs the vibrations due to high speed and large removal of material. Second part of structure is a saddle or slide base. Saddle or slide base normally mounted on bed. There is a guide base on the bed. On guide base the saddle is mounted, which provides the machine tools with the x-axis linear motion. We know that moment is x, y and z. X horizontal moment, horizontal plane moment, and y moment, and z is in case of drill machine, that z axis is giving the feed to the workpiece. So x axis moment is done by saddle. Column is used for y axis moment, and this column is mounted on the saddle, and it is designed with high torsional strength to prevent distortion and deflection during the machining, and column provides the machining center with y-axis linear movement. So this x-axis movement is by saddle and y-axis movement is by column. Table is mounted on the bed. It provides machining center with z-axis movement. So three moment you can like this. So this, if you are considering this x-axis, so this moment is y-axis and this thumb is having z-axis like this. So this x-axis, this y-axis and this z-axis. So x-axis moment by bed, by saddle, and y-axis moment by column, and z-axis moment by table. Then spindle and feed drives. In most of the machine tools, the drives are used to drive spindle and feed motion devices, both of which are either holding workpiece or cutting tool. The types of drives and feed drive, most commonly drives are stepper motor, DC servo motor, AC servo motor, and fluid motors. Stepper motor is usually used in open loop control system where feedback is not required. The application of stepper motor is tool slides or feed drives. Usually stepper motor works in incremental steps through 1.8 degree. Motor move incremental steps. So one step of stepper motor rotates the lead screw of slide by 1/200 of revolution. Now DC servo motor. DC servo motor provides a DC servo motor widely used in NC/CNC machines in closed loop control system. Advantage of DC motor is control the speed of rotation, and limitation is DC servo motor is costly, large dimensions and heavy weight. And AC servo motors is also used in closed loop control system, or it is alternative to DC servo motors. And advantages of AC servo motor is high power with high power to weight ratio, low rotor inertia, constant continuous torque, constant overload capacity over full speed range, and no requirement of additional cooling of motors. And fluid motors, fourth one, fluid motors is also used for driving the spindle. Usually high pressure oil or air is used for running the motor. Now after structure, actuator, support bearing, reciprocating ball type screw. Actuator support bearing are required for rotary and linear motion. There are two types: reciprocating ball type screw, linear motion guideways. So reciprocating ball type screw you can see in the figure. There is a lead screw and having a half circular groove, a thread in the form of half circular groove, and balls are accommodated in the grooves, and this nut is actually table, this ball screw and recirculating ball rotating in grooves. The reciprocating type of ball screw are widely used in NC/CNC machines, where rotary motion is converted into linear motions using lead screw. These are especially required in slide ways. In such system, the balls are continuous circulating between nut and screw during complete motion of slide. This ball provides rolling frictions obviously if there is a rolling friction, so there will be low coefficient of friction. The reciprocating or recirculating ball screw systems can be preloaded. This helps in reducing backlash in two-directional motions of slides attached to the lead screw. Now, linear motion guideways, in the figure you can see linear motion guideways. So this is the rail, and these are the balls, and this is the table or slideways. So in CNC machine there are support structures which moves on either bedway or slideways to minimize friction and wear in such sliding elements. So if it is directly touched to the rail, there will be more friction. That's why balls are provided between this rail and this slide bedway or slideways. So there will be contact point or rolling friction is there, so low coefficient of friction, so movement will be easier one. So rolling elements are used. The system used for such purpose are called linear motion system. In the next lecture we will see feedback devices, automatic tool changers, etc. etc. So for today it is enough. Okay.